Welcome guys, let's review this amazing platform together. Watch the amazing results I created using this platform.
And the good thing is it's using Seedance 2.0 for the entire process. Watch this.
Here, you can have half. I'm Tommy.
Thanks. I'm Leo. I just moved here.
Hey guys, okay, big news. Today is finally the day. I've been waiting weeks for this, so come with me. Let me grab my things real quick. This bag is coming everywhere with me. Clothes, charger, snacks, I think that's everything. And the most important thing, my passport. We are good to go. Made it, check in, here I come. I'm off to the airport.
Awesome. So I'm going to use one click to generate a full video, and we are going to do this together. Guys, if you're excited, let's get started. So the platform we are going to be reviewing this moment in this video is the OpenArt. I went on to use director mode, okay, on OpenArt to generate something amazing. Okay, simply I gave a simple idea. I don't have the story. I just have an idea that I need a 3D animation US story. All right. And it should be in 30 seconds. And it should use Seedance 2.0 model to make the entire. So let's go ahead and click this guide me. Now, I don't want to make it at once because I want to make some adjustment to your video. So you just have to guide me. Let's review it and then we proceed. So guys, after everything has been, set, if you have a particular image character that you want to upload and use, okay, you can literally use this as a reference so that while this creating is having that picture in mind. All right, so for me, I do not have any image. Okay, so let's generate everything from the platform afresh. So let's go ahead and hit this generate. Now the platform immediately will start setting up the stage for your video to start generating, and entire video is going to appear here. You can see, and here we have the timeline, we have the scenes, and we have the shorts. Okay, so let's keep it at timeline. Develop the title of the entire video and it will start automatically to start generating. So this is literally how this platform works, and it's crazy what the result came out as. So we are going to literally watch everything. So because I was looking for Seedance specifically, okay, it has been able to lock and ready to share and is using Seedance. You can see here, right? Everything is ready. So guys, let's wait and see the outcome of this entire video. So of course you're going to follow it step by step because every stages you review it and give approval whether to proceed or you want to edit. So for me, because this is cool by me sharing with today, I'm going to go ahead and say looks good, and it's going to pick it up and start generating. I love this because no time wasted, and with just one prompt your entire video is ready. Okay, so go ahead and use the link in the description of this video and try this OpenArt today. All right, so if you ask me to recommend a platform you can literally pay, I would say go on for OpenArt AI. I love the output. So at this point, our images are generated, and also the audios. You see, everything is done, and you can literally click here to download this audio if you want. You can play this to review and see. Well, everything is well organized here, right? You can see here everything is in order. The character has been locked in, the consistency, everything. So let's view this. So for us to view and be sure, sharing is the character too, and of course everything is locked in, and of course see the environment. The amazing. And then if you are cool with this, you can literally click looks good. The platform will begin to process the next stage, and this is where it's actually getting interesting because at this point all your characters, everything, the environment, the voicing is, everything is locked in, and they are not using any other model. You're using Seedance 2.0 model to run the entire scripting and entire images generation and entire video. Okay, so let's watch and see everything comes out. Our first video is ready. Let's say at the point you have error in generating, that particular credit will be refunded back to you. That's why I actually love this platform. All right, so let's play this and see. 15 seconds. Let's see. So if you want to literally download this, okay, because it's still generating, if you want to download this or you want to wait for the entire video to finish, you can literally click here and download this. This is the second scene, okay. Give a simple idea and this is literally incredible. Now you can literally add all of this into the timeline and you can see, and it's gonna play. So this is when everything is done generating. Okay, you can literally add here, and then this is where we had the credit refund. Okay, we had issues with the credit and it was refunded. So this is all the materials that was using. Everything just came out perfectly well. And not just that, watch this. Once everything is done, I requested for 30 seconds video, okay, and then they actually gave me 30 seconds long video. Now I could go again and download this. At this point, it has meshed the first scene and the second scene together, so I now have two in one scene. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. I leave the link to this platform in the comment section and in the description, so click on it and start using this platform. This is amazing and it's using Seedance 2.0. I literally tried this out to see if it's going to obey, but trust me, it came out just like I wanted. Now this is applicable for any type of video you want to create. When I want to generate the 3D animation, kids video for kids channel, whatever type of niche you were thinking of, documentaries, whatever it is, history, dark history documentaries, whatever it is, normal movies, cinematic movies, any type of niche at all, you can use this platform. So guys, if you love this platform and I'm introducing to you the pricing, okay, now this is a monthly pricing, and currently annually they are running up to 27% of their current pricing. So go ahead and try this out, and you can see essential we have $12 instead of $14, and this is amazing. Use the link in the description of this video so that you can have it at a discounted rate. Have you tried this out yet? Let me know also in the comment section what you think about all of this. So let me know what video you want me to use this platform to create next. If you love this platform, I would love to know if you have any video idea or any video request you want me to use this OpenArt AI to create and develop it for you to see the output, and if it's something you can give it a try. And guys, if you've watched to this time, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming video. And guys, thank you so much, and then until then, see you in the next one.